Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. Let's see. Okay, so we're back on the mainland here, I guess. Let's see, right? We are on Blizar. I think they're calling it Blizar. We can do a couple of things. We can go find the missing chef, or we can go into the Rift. Now, what's Blaze on? Oh, that's the stuff you whack. Let's go into the Rift. Let's just continue with the storyline here. Where's our girlfriend at? She's right here somewhere, isn't she? There she is. Do we need anything? Let's double check before we go in there.
Let me know when you find
Nope,
something
we're full.
you like.
And our upgrades are upgraded. Everything is upgraded.
Glad to be of service.
Alright, let's go in here and see what's going on.
You ready to fix another dimensional mess?
Leave it to me.
So do we just, what do we do? Just
Clank,
like that,
I just
huh?
saw Ratchet on Savali.
You did? How is he?
Great, thinner than I imagined, but appropriately heroic. But I digress. Your possibilities are waiting for you to guide them to the Mediterranean.
Okay, this looks like I forgot about this. This is another game. What do we do now? I have to guide. Gotta get that block out of the way over there, somehow, some way.
My possibilities cannot pass through with that much wind. Is there
Okay.
some way I can weigh them down?
Weigh what down? Weigh the possibilities down? I don't know. I guess they'll just get blown off if we go that way, huh? Can weigh them down. That's what he says. We want to weigh them down, huh? Or can we turn off the fan? Doesn't look like we can turn off the fan. Guide the Clank possibilities to the meta terminal. Where is the meta terminal? I guess it's over there.
I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
I haven't found any yet. Alright, so we'll go grab some spears, I guess. Alright, let's take this spear. What does this spear do?
That's a heavy sphere. It will weigh down any object it touches, which sounds rather obvious when you say it out loud.
And what does that do for me?
So what is in that book of yours?
The most up-to-date collection of knowledge in the universe, as cataloged by my father.
And who is that?
I believe you know him as the plumber.
He is your father? What is
A
he
heavy
doing now?
spear. Okay.
Taking his first vacation. Ever. So he left me in charge, and I'm trying my best, but it's a lot to live up to even when the universe isn't in danger.
Okay, now we made him fat. They going the right way? It appears they are. Now what?
I am blocked. I think that saw can help clear the path.
Saw. There's a saw? Okay. Right now the guys are going over the edge. There's a saw. Can I just break this? I cannot. So I have to weigh the saw down first. Okay. Can I get my negative guy back? Get my negative guy back. How do I do that? I forgot. Wait a minute. I don't get blown off. Okay. And I'm not sure. Let's see what this does here. Okay. Did that work? Looks like
So,
it did.
How did you get the title Prophet?
Ah, I actually didn't choose the name. It was given to me by the Savali monks after I helped them decipher some of their archives.
What does that mean?
Oh, just a lot of pointing and saying stuff like, that's a Blargian phone book, that's a Kerchu tooth, that's a Terraclaw love poem.
Are we good? Looks like we are for this step.
Oh my! I have to write this down because that was incredible, Clank! Only 2 more to go.
Teleport to the exit. Okay, 2 more to go. Okay.
How are things going with Rivet?
Well enough. She hacked my brain and saw my memories.
Is that what you kids are doing these days? I'm so out of touch.
That was pretty good. What's over here? Just some stuff? Okay, bolts. Alright, so new tricks. I gotta get some new tricks. Can I just bash this stuff?
It is interesting. For being dimensional counterparts, Ratchet and Rivet have surprising differences. Ratchet never had any wariness of robots when he met me.
Okay,
Yet
I
Rivet
need...
does.
Maybe
I
your
need an orb.
dimension is the outlier. Maybe all the other Ratchets don't like robots in their dimensions either.
Okay, I need to get that orb up there, but I require another orb somewhere. Looks like I gotta go over there on the elevator. Alright, let's do the elevator.
Just a little pick-me-up.
Now what do I do? I guess I gotta go back over there to get that orb, eh? Okay. Let's go get this orb first. What kind of orb do I have? Let's see. I have a lift sphere. Okay.
I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
Things are about to get pretty heavy.
I have a heavy sphere. I can grab this one now, though, right? There we go. Okay. So... what do we have? Have a heavy sphere and a lift sphere. So... must be another sphere over there. I don't know what that sphere is, but I guess I need that sphere, don't I? Okay, so we need a heavy sphere and a lift sphere.
If
Okay.
I may offer one thought,
Okay.
perhaps it would be beneficial to explore the area for more spheres.
We know where we're at. We want to do the lift sphere, I think, here. And we want to do the heavy sphere over there, right? Heavy sphere, right? Let's see. Okay, well this one didn't do anything for me. I thought it might, but unless I have to jump. Oh, I do have to jump over there, okay.
My possibilities are a visual representation of my
Speed
mind,
sphere,
trying
okay.
to understand dimensionality. And the more I help them find their way, the more I will understand and be able to fix everything.
Okay, so where am I at? I gotta go down here. And I need the speed sphere first and then the lift sphere, right? Speed sphere and then the lift sphere, I think. Let's see, which one we got? We need the lift, we need a speed sphere first. And then we need to lift a sphere over here.
That saw is blocking the path. If I could just find a way to lower it.
I need the sphere that's over there, don't I? Is it still in there? Can I get it? It was holding this one down. I had one that's a lift sphere. I need another lift sphere, don't I? I'm just killing all my guys. Or do I have to get it down? Maybe I gotta move it down. Let's see if I can get... What's in this thing over here? I forgot. I don't have one in here. I'm missing a ball. Speed, lift, heavy. But I don't know where the heavy one's at. I used it for something. What did I use it for? Oh, it's over there. Isn't it? It must be over here, yeah. There it is. Can I get it? Okay. And this is which one? This is the heavy sphere. There we go.
Oh, nice!
Okay.
I never thought to use the spear like that.
All the possibilities, huh? Alright, here we go. One more? Is that what he said?
Is there anything about Ratchet and Rivet that's the same?
They are both very quick to take action.
And furry.
Unlike me,
They're both
I
furry.
always get so caught up in the details.
And you wish you were better about that.
Not all the time.
Oh man, we
But
got
it would be nice to not have to worry so much.
wind. This is crazy. I have to go get that ball over there for something. Without dying, I guess, huh? Uh-oh.
This should keep things on the down low.
Let's get over here and get out of the wind for now. Okay, so what do I need? What is this sphere? This is a heavy sphere. So I gotta weigh my guys down.
I hope
guess-
I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
Sure there are. Where are they? Up there? Yeah. There's one. Is there one up there? I don't know. Let's see. A heavy sphere is going to weigh that down. But I need a lift sphere to lift that up. Is that a sphere over there? No. Let's see. I gotta get that sphere. Well, let's see what we can do here. I don't know. Can I zap
If I
it?
may offer one thought, perhaps it would be beneficial to explore the area for more spheres.
Yeah, I only see one more. Where's the other one at? Am I missing something? I'm guessing that I'm not gonna make it through that. What does this do for me? It just weighs that down, so that doesn't do me any good. That just blocks my path. That didn't do anything for me. Oops. Tricky, tricky, tricky. I need another sphere. There should be another one somewhere. And I must have missed it somehow. Let's go back this way.
an expert, but I think there may be more spheres nearby.
Yeah. They're nearby, but they're not doing me any good. I don't know where they are. What happens if... Oh, there's a sphere over there. Okay. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Okay, we got this one.
Things are looking up
A
now.
lift sphere. Okay. Okay, give me my other sphere back. Wait, don't do that. Okay, so now I need my lift sphere to go over here. Go, just go. It's not gonna work, is it?
Are you sure you found all the spheres?
I can't go that way. That sucks. Can I go this way? I can. Let's stay right here. Now I can go across here, can't I? Okay, I need a lift sphere, which is the lift one. Speed. Lift sphere. Okay, what's the deal? I'm too close. Okay. Sorry, dude.
Feeling faster than ever.
Alright, speed spear.
Ah, Clank! I think I know how to help you with your getting caught up in the details problem. You just gotta be confident.
What do you mean?
If there's one thing I've learned from my father, it's that acting like you know what you're doing can get you everywhere in life. That and
All right.
carrying a plunger.
So, let's see. Alright, so I guess I gotta check and see what I got here. I have a lift sphere, a speed sphere, and a heavy sphere. So we gotta get the heavy sphere over there somewhere, right? Let's get the heavy sphere on. That's the heavy sphere. Let's do that over there. Okay, guys. I still ain't helping them. Because they're going off this edge. Huh. Okay, that didn't work. What else do I got? Heavy, speed, lift. Tricky, tricky, tricky. The lift sphere wouldn't do anything. What would that do? That's not going to get me to where I need to go. And then I have to get all that stuff out of the way over there. How do I do that? That's weird. It seems like there should be another ball somewhere. Oh, wait a minute. Can I move that? I don't think I can move that. Yeah, that's not doing anything. Can I use a different sphere there? A lift sphere? Let's try the lift sphere. No, that's not going to work. Speed sphere. Okay, I'm at a loss here. I don't know what to do here. I can get them to come this way, but then they got nowhere to go. They just run off the cliff. Unless there's a way to change the direction. You know, how do you change the direction here? How come they? Oh, because they're getting blown off. That's why. I wonder if the speed sphere will work here. Let's see. No, that doesn't work either. It makes them go faster to their death. What about... I don't know how to make them go around this corner. Let's try the lift sphere. Alright. That seems to be working, but now they're going in that direction. We don't want the... This is the lift sphere. We want the speed sphere. Or the heavy sphere. I got it. I figured it out. I want the speed sphere here. Yeah, let's put the speed sphere here. And then this is going to be the heavy sphere over here. Got it away. Alright, heavy sphere. Huh. I'm good.
The Blizar anomaly has been fixed. Great job, Clank.
Blizar.
No, thank you. And remember, confidence is the key.
Okay, that took a little bit of thinking. I don't like thinking. I just want to shoot stuff.
Now we can deal with the clog.
Okay, what do we do with the clog? Let's see.
Yeah. I sent the top minds on the team to fix the tube and they got stuck. That's it! Hydraulic supply restored!
Awesome.
With that fixed, we should now be able to use that elevator.
Time to drill for some phase quartz.
Okay, so we're good. We saved another planet. Well, kind of, sort of. Alright, so now we can use the elevator. Let's go see what the chef is doing. Let's go over and check that out before we go up. We're going to feed these guys, man. They're all kind of hungry. Let's see, which way do I want to go? I want to go this way. Let's go check out the chef. Alright, and we got some crabs up there, so let's do the enforcer. We got that hooked up? We got that hooked up.
Did something actually happen to her this time?
I am picking up a radio transmission.
You there, with the fuzz in the ears. How would you like to help create our galaxy's next food dish of the century?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Don't answer, it's rhetorical. Just make
I
your
didn't
way
die?
to Crystal
How did I not
Ridge,
die there?
and we shall get started.
Chef Tulio, I presume? She sounds unhurt. I wonder what has been keeping her from returning to the miners.
I can die here. Oh, I gotta do some more hop, skip, and a jump. Wait a minute, there's some stuff over there too. Can I get over to that? Because we want that. Rare titanium. Well, let's see if we can do that. It would be, yeah, back in here. Let's do this. And go this way. Okay, we got some Ruritanium. We have a thing there. Is it on my map so I know it's there? It is, okay. Go poke our heads in there, I guess. See what that looks like.
Hold on. How are those robo-mutts floating?
Okay, this one looks interesting. Let's just grab this right here. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going to happen here. Okay. Oh, you can't get in. Okay. It's like there's something you can walk on there. Okay, we'll figure that one out later. Let's go back this way. Let's see. Do I want to go this? Where do I want to go? Over there. Okay. So I can just go this way, huh?
What's that noise? It touched me! Get it off, bro!
Through this cavern.
How do you do that exactly? Hopping over the little things you gotta. All right, let's put the. Just a shocker? No, this is the blast thing. Do I have my shock weapon? Let's see. I don't have my shock weapon on. What do I have on? I have the neutron collider. Let's go with the shock weapon. Put that here. And then we'll put. Oops, nope. Go back there. And we'll put this one, the Enforcer, we'll put that down here. Okay, here we go. Alright, so do I have to hop and skip and jump over these things really fast like? Looks like I do. Okay, here we go. Whoa. Okay, we made it here. We're going this way. Bugs. Shock weapon. Or can I get them with the Enforcer? Let's just see what we can do. Oh, wait a minute here. Hold on a second. I want my Enforcer. Nah, I can't reach him with that. Okay. Okay, so I have to hit the dimensional thing, I guess, because then I gotta go up there and then hit that dimensional thing. Okay. Now we gotta deal with robots, and let's see, what do we want to do here? We gotta go that way.
What a lovely day to serve Emperor Nefarious.
Let's try the A ricochet, that's better suited for these guys, I think. I want to get them out of my way before I go anywhere.
We must find the lost in the name of our adoring emperor.
This will only hurt for a moment. That was wonderful.
Can I just buzz over to this one over here? No, it won't let me. We'll go over here first, I guess. Where can we go? Right there. This always fries my mind, man. I just can't. Okay, where's the next one at? Oh, there it is. Okay.
I see the culinary life calls to you, too. There should be quarry jumpers nearby that can help you get up here.
Quarry jumpers, huh? A quarry jumper. There's another. Oops, sorry about that. A quarry jumper. Well, where is up here at? Oh, up there? I don't see nothing up there. This way? Oh, right there, okay. Where does that take me? Oh, and then there's a wall up there to walk on, huh? Alright. Okay. Am I going the right way? I am. Exit the Wasp Caverns. Okay.
Come, come.
Guess we're in the right spot, huh? Yes, we are. Okay.
I am Chef Tulio, and like all great artistes, I can only create beauty when I'm suffering.
Okay.
To make my greatest dish yet, I must harvest the Seranian honey below us with this vacusuck. But doing so requires my full attention, so I'll need someone to defend me from those allergic to brilliance. If you wish to be a part of culinary history, start the extraction sequence with that hammer crank.
So, what's the dish?
There's been a lack of suffering lately, so I do not know yet, but it will come soon.
Okay, so I guess we'll go with shock on these guys. That seems to work pretty good.
Now it will take a moment for the machine to warm up, so be on the lookout for injuries.
Ha! Here they come! On the left! Use the button on that side to activate my trap!
Okay. How do I get to the button?
Splendid! I could not abide by the stench of pesticides, so I thought, why not go back to my roots? Barbecue! Ha! They're coming from the right! Activate the trap on the right! Before they damage the vacuum suck and scare away my muse! Delicious! The traps protect the vacuum suck, but they take time to reset. Can't have them overheating, can we? And that's my preamble. Or as we like to say in the culinary world, the appetizer. Now, it's time for the main course. It begins! Here they come! Defend me while I dig deep for my inspiration.
Bounce back and forth. Is that what I'm supposed to do? Looks like it.
Marvelous! Yes, I can feel an idea coming to me. A Sorangian, honey-glazed, puffoid! But what drink do we pair it with? I need more. More inspiration. More honey!
Just think of those hungry miners, Rivet. They need this.
Oh, this guy. Uh-oh.
Magnificent! Yes, yes, yes! The drink shall be a certified magma mead! But those miners deserve a dessert too!
Oh, great.
Which means we need to suffer one last time! Let's the final extraction commence!
Uh-oh. I can't help it. I can't see the vacuum sucker. What are you doing here?
Don't let those sweaty meatheads touch the vacuum suck! Our masterpiece is almost complete!
Can't say I enjoyed that.
Eureka! The dessert shall be an upside-down Snagglebeast honey mousse.
Oh, yes.
This better be it, because we ain't got much pump health left. Okay, we did it.
Suffering. But now my imagination has woken from its slumber. This honey smorgasbord will be beautiful.
What's suffering? You didn't do anything.
Thank you for your assistance. Perhaps
good.
this will inspire you to make your own art.
Oh, we got a
one
bot.
day.
I'm just happy those miners are finally gonna get some grub. Now, how do I get back to them?
There's 10 bots in here?
That security taxi should do the
No.
trick.
Okay, that was the bot. Alright, so... how do I get back to where I was? This way? Oh, yeah.
All this food talk makes me wonder, Bolts. Who's the better cook? You or Ratchet?
Oh, it is never a competition.
It's you, isn't it? I knew it.
Okay, let's go buy some ammo. And then we'll head up the elevator. Where's the ammo lady at? There she is.
The Glove of Doom is now
The Glove
available.
of Doom, okay.
I say more.
Let's look at the Glove of Doom.
Hello to your little friends in the Glove of Doom. Tiny but vicious, hungry and focused. They will follow you wherever you go. Pull the fire trigger halfway to aim, and fully to deploy your lovably fierce army of ankle biters.
Okay, that looks like fun. We need to buy that, I guess. The Glove of Doom.
You got the bold sugar. Treat yourself.
Let's buy that one. We need that one, yeah. And what kind of upgrades we got? The Glove of Doom. What does this do? Agents target enemies from further away. And then what does this? Increases the number of attacks agents can do. Increase agent speed. Alright, let's do this one. And what does this one do up here again? Increases the number of attacks they can do. Okay, let's just go all the way with this one.
You all come back real soon now.
Alright, so R2. Man, I hate when that thing just goes so fast. The Glove of Doom. Doom on you. Let's put the Glove of Doom here, just to try it out. We gotta read about it. Where's my weapons? Oh, we gotta do our bot first. Where's our bot? Here he is.
Blizar Prime is a Ragungo-level mining operation, known as the galaxy's main source of Blizon crystals, integrated in high-energy capacitors. This material was once prevalent in computers, starships, and whoopinators. These days, however,
Whoopinators.
the rare ore is mostly shipped to the Emperor's research facility on Cordelion for various dark projects. Speaking of which, when the dimensional crisis broke out earlier today, communication with the miners went silent, and their shipments to the Empire were missed. So, Ms. Zircon thinks that maybe Blizar might not be the safest place to be right now.
Well, I agree with that. Alright, so we're gonna go up the elevator. So let's call the video right here, and then when we come back, we'll head up the elevator. So,
Pleasure to see you.
if you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.